Hi, in this video I will show you how to comment with search bar on TikTok. In order to do that, you just need to head over to the video that you want to comment and click on this comment icon. Now from in here, you can find in here some comments that will have some blue search. That means that it doesn't have it yet. So what you can do is you can comment something like that. So on this case, you can head over and then comment something that is relevant to this video. So for example, let's input right here a comment. And then for this case, click onto the send and then wait for this to be added. Now, in order to make this blue, you need to have a very good foundation on the algorithm. It needs to have a lot of clicks and it needs to be relevant. So for it to actually have a blue option. So once it have a blue option, that will indicate that it will be a searchable something just like this. When you click on it, it will automatically search for that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.